The AI revolution is here and it's moving fast. By 2026, demand for AI professionals will skyrocket. But here's the question. Do you have the skills that companies are desperately searching for? Let's explore the top AI skills that will transform your career. Number 1. Generative AI and core programming languages. Python, R, and SQL are your foundation. But here's what will set you apart. Mastering prompt engineering, building RAG pipelines, and fine-tuning large language models. These days, companies embed generative AI into almost everything, whether it's chatbots or product design. So professionals who can harness these tools are also commanding premium salaries. This isn't just about coding. It's about architecting the intelligent systems. Number 2. Natural language processing. The NLP market will be exploding by 2026. Do you know why? Because every business wants to understand their customers a little bit more better. From sentiment analysis to conversational AI, NLP is the bridge between human language and machine intelligence. If you master this, you will unlock opportunities across every industry. Number 3. Data engineering. By 2026, we'll generate 180 zettabytes of data. That's actually 180 trillion gigabytes. So someone has to collect, clean, and organize this tsunami of information. You will have to learn tools like Apache Spark, Kafka, and Databricks. If there's no pipeline, there is no AI. It's that critical. Number 4. Data visualization and business intelligence. Your brilliant analysis will mean nothing if you can't communicate it. Tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Python's visualization libraries turn complex data into compelling stories. Stakeholders, they don't want spreadsheets. They want insights that they can act on. Be the translator between the data and decisions. Number 5. Cloud computing. You know it. Modern AI doesn't run on laptops. It actually runs on AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. These platforms provide the massive computing power the AI demands. Whether it's training models or deploying applications at scale, cloud skills are non-negotiable. The future of AI lives in the clouds. Learn one platform deeply and you will open countless doors. There you have it. The 5 skills that will make you indispensable in 2026. From generative AI and programming to NLP, data engineering, visualization, and cloud computing. Each skill is a critical piece of a puzzle. But here's something to note. You don't need to master all these 5 overnight. Pick one skill, dive deep, and start building your future today.